Okay, good afternoon. This is how you will do your activity. So from decimal, you have to convert that to binary. So divide that by 2. Then you have to get the remainder as what we did last lesson. So for example, the remainder that you will have is 1, 1. This is an example, not the exact answer, okay? Okay, for example, this would be your answer. So to get the octal, you have to divide it by bit of 3. Okay? So then find the value in octal this binary. For example, this is 0, and this is 3, and this is, for example, another 3. So that would be now 3, 3, 0. Now, in hexa, you have to, based on the binary again, divide or group it by bit of 4. So we have, for example, here and this one. Okay? So for example, the value of this is only just example, okay? Not the exact. So for example, this is A, and this is, for example, B. Okay, so that would be now B8. This is an example, not the answer, okay? All right, so that would be the answer of the given table. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, so the next one, from binary, as what we did, to get the octal, you have to group it by 3. Okay, so you will get the octal. And to hexa, group it by the bit of 4. So we have 4. And find the value of the octal. Okay? So that's how you will convert them. Okay? And then, you will be converting binary to decimal. You have to multiply each by 2. So, every digit, you have to multiply by 2 and add all the values as what we did during our lesson, right? So we have here 1, for example, 1 times 2 raised to 0. So that would be now 1, and so on and so forth. That is how you will make it to convert that to decimal. So talaga masyado kayo makakalimutan. Same process. If you have your, for example, octal, to convert that to binary, first you have to determine the 3 values of 2. So for example, we have 0 and 10. And 5, for example. So that would be, this is an example, not the real answer, okay? So for example, I have here 1, 0, 1. And another is 1, 1, 0, for example. Then copy them. If you have, for example, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 0. So you have already your binary. Then to get the hexa, group it by 4. Again, that's what you did. Then find the value. Napakasimple lang. Kayo talaga masyado yung pinapahirapan sa sarili niyo. Same process in hexa. To get it, first, convert that to binary. So, find the value. For example, the value of 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. So, that's an example. Another. So, 4 bits, 4 bits. Apat na digits. So, another, for example, 1, 1, 0, 1. Example. Then, convert that. Copy that here in binary. So, for example, I have here 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay? I'm using mouse, kaya mahirap magsulat. So, for example, you have already the binary, then convert that to octal. How? By grouping it by 3 again. And you will have your octal. Okay? So, that's how you will create. And the same process as what we have here. So, for example, decimal, as what we did in number 1. Same process. In solving octal, you have to first base to binary, hexa base to binary, divide them bit of 3 and bit of 4. Simple as that. Masyado yung pinapahirapan yung sarili nyo. Okay? So, do it carefully and honestly.